Oh my god, the snow is really bad. I got stuck earlier and now I'm following a truck because you cannot go really anywhere, and the truck is kind of like plowing the road for me. So you can see I'm on a hazard, just running at 30 miles per hour. This is 270, and if you go to the side there, you will be stuck. Look at those cars. You know, we're all on a hazard. Now everybody's stopping. Somebody got stuck, I guess. It's my fault. I brought my GTI today. The news was just you know, snowing with 2 inches of snow, but obviously not. So I'm still following the truck. It's moving, which is good. I was really thinking that we're gonna stop here. Look at those cars at the farther side. Okay, it's moving. And now we're finally stopping, unfortunately. On the other side, there's a truck that's blowing the road. Hopefully here too. Almost home. So my exit's gonna be approaching. Hopefully the road there is cleared. Here, signal. It's good that the road here are wet already. It's not snowy anymore. So there's a big chance that I can go home. Okay, whew. I have arrived. Oh my goodness. Still snowing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna bring Blue tonight.